Quite a while ago I put this thing together, and I've done a couple of updates since I've built it, but anyway, today we're going to be doing some organization on this thing. We're going to get it out of this wagon because, well, frankly, it doesn't look that good over here in the corner of the garage, and also the tires on this thing appear to not hold air anymore anyway, so it's not exactly that mold. Anyway, we're going to move everything on that wagon onto this shelf. Also, I apologize if there's some background noise throughout this video. I'm just using my shotgun mic to make this a little bit easier. But anyway, I'll go ahead and give you a little look at the setup before I start moving it onto the shelf. But anyway, I've got 3 deep cycle batteries. They're all about 100 amp hours apiece. This last battery down here was an addition at one point. That's why it's just kind of sitting on the floor and it's not part of the wagon here. Other than that, there's some other random stuff that really shouldn't be here, like this inverter and my old Thunderbolt solar charge controller. But anyway, other than that, we've got a 600 watt pure sine wave Xantrax inverter and the charge controller for this setup, which is a Renogy 30 amp PWM controller. There's also this nice little fan here. I used to have a cigarette lighter adapter for this guy, but unfortunately that thing quit working on me for some reason. But anyway, let's go ahead and see if we can't pull this wagon out of here and start working on this. Tires probably won't hold air for more than like 30 seconds, but hopefully it'll make it a little bit easier to move. You can actually see the holes in the tires there. We put slime in these things to try to seal them, but apparently these got cracked up pretty bad. These batteries haven't been used too much aside from just sitting here being float charged by solar panels, so they should be in good shape. You may also be able to see I do have a couple different batteries. This is the one that was added on later. This one was being used for a different purpose and eventually got hooked into this system. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I got 2 batteries on the bottom shelf and one up here with the power inverter. So this is set up so that it can still be taken apart pretty easily and put back on the wagon if it does need to be made portable again. But anyway, 2 batteries down there, one up here. I think each shelf is rated for 150 pounds. I'm not too concerned about the bottom shelf though, because of course it's sitting right on the ground anyway. So anyway, I put the charge controller on here. That's just kind of zip tied to the shelf. I'm gonna leave that power inverter stuck on top of the battery there because it makes a pretty good spot for it. And I've got the paperwork, which isn't in great condition anymore, but I've got that over here along with a couple other 12-volt accessories. And then these 2 things don't really belong to this system, so I'm going to get those put into their proper spots. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed that little video. And hopefully I'll actually do some experiments with this thing this summer. I keep saying I'm going to do more videos on this thing. and I just really haven't yet. But anyway, that's about it for now, guys. Bye.